Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the live force trend video you see on TikTok. So if you want to be part of this trending videos on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need TikTok and you need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store and your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go ahead and tap on TikTok. Here you're searching for the following keyword, live force edit. In the search results, you're looking for this one here, which has 5 pictures. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on CapCut Live Force Edit. Tap on that to use that. This will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Again, tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and choose various clips from your phone library. Then tap on Next. This will now create you the video using the Live Force template. So now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right, then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Since this is a template, the sound has already been added. You can go ahead and do all these edits here. You can add text, stickers, or any effects. Once you're happy, tap next, and then go ahead and post this live force trend video on your TikTok account. Now, for those of you who's looking for this template, go ahead and search Test the Simple Dad. That's the username you're looking for on TikTok. And in the video section, you'll see it right here, Live Force Trend. So there you go, guys. That's how to create the Live Force Trend video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.